Good afternoon, everyone. Another project day today. One of the guys on one of the Facebook groups had posted that he had put carpet tiles up on his roof and down below here. I had thought about doing that a couple months ago after extensively reading in the forums. I kind of shied myself away from doing it. People had said that they had issues with the tiles falling off when the weather got warm. I've had carpet tiles sitting around for a couple years on a project I used them on a long time ago. And so it's basically a free project for me. I just kind of had it on the back burner, but after he posted photos, definitely looked like something that I'm going to try. So I don't have any trips planned this week, so this is going to be my video here. So I just have a stack of old carpet self-adhesive tiles. I don't think the adhesive on these is the greatest. So I did grab some, this is like $10, roll of carpet tape basically. So I'm going to use this along with the self-adhesive backing on this. And like I said, today's project is going to be getting carpet tile up on the roof. Basically 10 feet long by 50 inches wide, so a little over 40 square feet of carpet tile. I think I've got like 20 something tiles here. So it should be enough to at least get the roof done, and then if I like it, I'll look into maybe picking up some more if I can even find these carpet tiles anymore. But yeah, this is a super thin carpet. It weighs next to nothing, so I'm hoping they'll be fine. I don't plan on using Velcro stuff to stick to it, maybe some patches, but I'm not hanging anything from it, so there'll be no weight on it. So hopefully we'll be good to go, and it'll help a little bit in the wintertime for the nights that I don't run a heater, help with condensation. So yeah, what we're going to need for this project is carpet tiles, like I said, the tape. I just got a replaceable blade knife that I use all the time. Cheap tape measure, because I can't find my good ones. Cutting surface, and some sort of straight edge to cut the tiles that you need to cut. So, and then also some rubbing alcohol just to wipe down the panels before you put everything up so you don't have any issues with anything sticking. So I'm going to clamp there, we're going to get that cleaned, and then we're going to start putting tiles on. I'll see you guys in there. I got the first section done down there. I didn't want to do that on camera in case I made a fool of myself, so I did that off camera to make sure everything would fit. So next is going to be this panel here. Like I had said, I wiped everything down with just rubbing alcohol and a towel to make sure everything was clean, and then I'll show you guys the process. I basically get 2 tiles before I have to make cuts. So we'll do these 2 tiles. I'll show you guys what I do. And then we'll get this panel done, this panel done, and this panel done if I've got time. So let's get rolling. All right, so first thing I do is I pull the backing off of the tile. And then I've been just lining the edges with this carpet tape. This is cheap. It's like $10 for 75... I think it's 75-yard roll. Yes, 75 feet. 75 feet, so I should be able to get 2 panels per roll done, so it's pretty easy. But yeah, like I said, so I just go around the edges. Like I said, this is self-adhesive tile, but I want to give this every chance possible to stick. All right, so there's the tape put on the 4 edges, so now I'm going to crawl up there. I'll remove the backing once I get up there. This tape is very sticky. This is not the reusable stuff for area rugs. This is actual carpet tape. So it's supposed to be semi-permanent. So I'm hoping it'll hold, and I'm hoping the centers won't fall down, but we'll see what happens long run. But yeah, I'm going to crawl up there and we'll get this one installed. So get the tape backing pulled off. I will say the front panel is kind of a pain to get to because you're extremely limited on site and space down there. So I'm hoping these ones will be a little bit easier. Down at the bottom, I decided to pre-tape the ceiling. That turned into a disaster, so we're going to do the panels individually now. So this stuff is definitely sticky. So yep, we're going to make the carpet green go left to right, not up and down. So we'll crawl in here, get this bottom corner lined up. Get this top pushed all the way over. All right. There we go. And then just basically working your way from one corner to the other. Just slowly press it up. Make sure you get as much air out as you can. It's obviously carpet, so it'll hide if you get any imperfections pretty decently. But yeah, there's the first one. I noticed cleaning the roof, I have a dent right here in my roof, which is unfortunate, but you can hear it'd be interesting. I have solar panels down here, so that probably helps with the resonation. We'll have to see how it works on the next panel up. But yep, I'm gonna tape up this other panel, and then we'll get this next one on, and then we'll start. We've got 4 panels to cut up to fit correctly. All right, got the next panel taped up here. So what we'll do here is we'll line up to this panel, push it in as tight as we can. Same with the top. Same as down below. Slowly work your way to the opposite corner. Not going for perfection here, so you'll be able to see the lines between the carpet tiles a little bit, but that doesn't bug me at all, and they're basically can't see them. So next we'll grab the tape measure and we'll measure this distance here. And so we have one side to cut on this one, and then once we get to the top panels, we'll have to cut one side, and the last panel we'll have to cut 2 different sides on. So, all right, while I was down there, I decided just to cut all of the panels I needed for this one. It says it's not supposed to rain the rest of the day, but I got some pretty dark clouds moving in, so try to get this done as fast as I can. These are 18-inch carpet tiles, so this bottom one I cut to 16 1/4, which is what it's showing that I need to finish this here. So like the other ones, we'll get this bottom one lined up, and we'll slowly move up here to the top. Okay, and we'll slowly, it's easier to tuck this side up over the channel before you completely flatten this carpet down. I'm inhaling a bunch of carpet fibers here. And then like the other panels, just work your way up to the other corner. Put the cut edge along one of the channels of the edge, so all the sides that the carpets meet up on are all super straight. Definitely have a visual line there, which is, like I said, it is what it is. All right, I'm happy with that. It's definitely raining. That's unfortunate, so we'll have to probably finish this project tomorrow. It's weird. All right. It's tucked under my mounts here. All right, guys, so the first 2 panels are done. It's starting to rain outside, so I think I'm going to call it a day, and we'll pick this up tomorrow. But we got 2 done and 2 to go. So, all right, it is the next day. I didn't want to bore you guys between me coming in and out between rainstorms and just doing the same repetitive thing over and over. So I went ahead and finished the roof. And I realized I still had quite a bit of few carpets left, and so I went, my next thing was to do the doors. So I did both doors. So both doors are completely done. Somebody asked if you could put patches on there, and you definitely can. One thing I noticed where I didn't put carpet tape, you guys can see, but the adhesion of the carpet tiles is not great. So I'm parked with the side door facing the sun to see if I can get the adhesive to heat up and stick a little bit better. If not, I might have to pull all of the carpet off and basically cover the back with the Max Grip stuff, but everywhere that the Max Grip is at, it doesn't come off. So I did this door here. I think it came out pretty good. I used a lot of the scraps on the doors, so you can kind of see like here, I didn't line them up the best, and the way I was cutting them, they're kind of at an angle. So I just wanted to get them covered to see if A, it helps with insulation, and B, helps with noise, especially on the other side with the diesel heater on the door. I did take the mounts that they had these ran through. It's just like wire channel. I figured I'm just going to let them flow around. If I have issues with them, I'm going to take, these are the covers I do. I'm just going to put Velcro on the back of them and then Velcro them back to the door. That won't be an issue. I had 6 carpet tiles left, so I actually carpet tiled the first 3 feet, basically to where the cab is at on the bottom of the bed, so I can stick pouches. I put carpet tape all over the back of these panels, so I figured if I put pouches, they're going to be hanging down, so I figured might as well be safe than sorry. So those are all covered on the back. Total, I went through and counted. I had 30 carpet tiles total. This is all that I have left. These are all the remnants, all down to the small pieces. I try to use as much as possible. Like I said, on the doors, I used a bunch of the scraps. And then at the very top, I used some scraps just to try and use them up. I figured they'd be kind of up and out of the way, so I wouldn't bother me as much. But I think we used as much as we could. Like I said, I still have a few pieces, so if I need to put carpet on anything, I'm gonna see how I like this, and if I like it, I might pick up some outdoor carpet and do these bottom panels. They're kind of tore up now, just from getting stuff in and out of the truck all the time. So I'm thinking I might carpet those, and we might do just an outdoor carpet on the bottom. But yeah, so it's all the way to the very bottom, all the way up to the top. I cut a little hole for the wire there. Down there I cut a little hole, if you guys can see, but there's a slit in the carpet for the solar panel wiring and my WeBoost antenna wire. And yeah, so far I definitely like the look of it. Like I said, we'll see how it holds up. I didn't see any sagging on this, and I don't plan on attaching anything to the carpet panels on the roof panel. It's just more or less just for A, the look, and B, hopefully the slight insulation value that it'll add to that. But overall, I like the look of it. Like I said, I did the bottom of the bed basically 2 panels deep. I had 6 left, so I just had to cut a few inches off the one side. The one nice thing about that is I did it all the way to the edge. So the carpet's actually going to sit on the rail here. So it's quite noisy sometimes when you drop the bed down, but now it's just carpet on the sides. So it's not metal on metal, so that might help a little bit there. And then kind of just cut around the diesel heater port, and cut around as best I could the handles. We'll see how we like it. But yeah, I'll leave a list down below. I checked on Home Depot last night. Somebody was asking about the carpet tiles. The carpet tiles I bought, like I said, it was like 4 or 5 years ago. They still sell them, and they're about $30. I think I paid $20 for a 10-pack forever ago. They're up to $30 now, so it's still not terrible. They come in 10 packs, so you need 3 10-packs. So you'd be into this about $120. I used 2.5 rolls of carpet tape. Those were $10 a piece. So definitely an inexpensive project, and we'll see if it was worth the time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. We just hit 780 subs last night, so we're getting up to the 1,000. Once we get to the 1,000, somebody's going to win everything we make for the Lone Peak. So I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.